Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome to another episode of this solar system series where I take you on a journey through our solar system to all the planets that we have orbiting our star, the Sun. This is the 11th video in this 12-part series, and that means we are up to the 8th planet away from the Sun. If this is the first video you are seeing, then please check out my other videos in this series. We have spoken about the Sun, which is the only star in our solar system. We then went on to talk about the planets in order from the closest to the Sun to the furthest away, starting with the smallest planet, Mercury, which has the shortest orbit of all the planets. Then we went on to talk about Venus, which likes to go in reverse, and it is the hottest planet in the solar system. If you'd like to find out why it's hotter than Mercury, then please check out video number 4. Then our planet is next, the only known planet that can support life, but we are still looking for other life out there. Then the planet of various sci-fi films, Mars, the red planet, called that because it is red. Those 4 planets are our terrestrial planets, and the next 2 are gas planets, so they do not have a solid surface to land on and explore. Jupiter is the second largest object in the solar system. It is only second largest to the Sun, which is the largest. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun, and it's my favourite planet, mainly because of the rings around Saturn. Uranus is a planet from the last episode number 10, and it also has rings, but not as spectacular as those of Saturn. That then brings us to the 8th and final planet in the solar system, Neptune. If you'd like to learn a mnemonic to remember the order of the planets, stay tuned to the end. Before I start, remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment so I know you like this content. If you'd like a private English lesson, or if you'd like to learn more about the planets and our solar system, then please click the link in the description. Neptune is the 4th largest planet in the solar system, and it is the first planet to be discovered by using maths, which I will explain a little later. Neptune is an ice giant just like Uranus. It is made up of mostly hot, dense fluid of icy materials such as water, or H2O, that's 2 parts hydrogen to 1 part oxygen. Also methane, CH4, that's 1 part carbon to 4 parts hydrogen, H4. And ammonia, NH3, which is 1 part nitrogen to 3 parts hydrogen. Neptune is about 4 times wider than Earth, with a diameter of 49,244 kilometres, which is 30,775 miles. Neptune orbits the Sun at a distance of about 4.5 billion kilometres, which is 2.8 billion miles, and it takes Neptune 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun, and 16 hours to rotate on its axis, a Neptunian day. Neptune was named after the Roman god of the sea, and the 14 moons orbiting Neptune are named after sea gods from Greek mythology. Neptune also has rings, but only about 5 rings and 4 ring arcs, which are just clumps of piles of dust and debris, which likely formed by gravity of nearby moon. And as I mentioned earlier, Neptune was discovered by using maths. In 1846, French mathematician Urbain Le Verrier and English astronomer John Couch Adams used maths to predict the position of a planet that could explain the unusual orbit of Uranus. German astronomer Johann Gottfried Gaia used a telescope to observe the predicted position, and he discovered Neptune on the 23rd, 24th of September in 1846. And I mentioned earlier that there are a couple of mnemonics that we can use to remember the order of the planets. So firstly, a mnemonic is a way of remembering something by remembering a pattern of letters or a sentence or any association that helps to remember. So for the planets, you could say, my very excellent mum just served us noodles. Or my very easy method just speeds up names. In the next video, we'll talk about the dwarf planets and how one of them is normally further away from the Sun than Neptune, but sometimes it is closer than Neptune. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below. If you'd like a private English lesson, or if you'd like to learn more about the solar system and our planets, then please click the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.